Almighty God, can you bless this brotherhood and sister of ours so that we will succeed in all its endeavor. Enlighten and strengthen our Premier, Chairman, and chapters grantors Skillion. So for them to maintain the highest standard of decision making, a better and more successful Tau Gamma Pi, Tau Gamma Sigma, Skillion Alumni Organization, Skillion Grand Fraternity and Sorority,
Triskillion, take it to the top, yeah, yeah.
Ang aking pag-asa at ang tanging ligaya. Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihag ako.